Warmly welcome you a new phase of learning where we are going to analyze, unfold the earth and its interior part, which will going to help you out in understanding what is impenetrable depth, what layers it comprises of, what it means, how it get discovered, what is the role of them in the pursuing ahead. So let's us unveil the inside our earth, impenetrable depth. Earth is a dynamic planet. Why?
Life supporting planet of solar system. Earth, blue planet, which has immense presence of hydrosphere. Earth support life with the help of biosphere. The supporting elements, lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, marks its natural environment. Earth have exterior and interior portion. Exterior we witness relief features. Exterior portion we have immense of spares and natural environment. Interior of the earth marks the abundance of resources, and inside our earth there is number of layers 3: crust, mantle, core. So today we will acknowledge and learn what they have contributed to and what that have been known for. So what is अर्थ? अर्थ पृथ्वी एक डायनामिक प्लैनेट है क्योंकि वो परिवर्तित होना जानती है, कॉन्स्टेंटली चेंज होना, ट्रांसफॉर्म होना जानती है इनसाइड एंड आउटसाइड. एक ऐसी लेयर का कॉम्बिनेशन है जो 3 फीचर्स को कनेक्ट करता है: crust, mantle, core. Crust is thinnest most and uppermost layer, 35 km on continental masses and 5 km thick on oceanic floor, made up of silica and alumina and silica and magnesium. Just below the crust there is mantle layer. 2900 km is its thickness, and then innermost layer is core with the radius of 3500 km, marks the presence of iron and nickel. So the central core is very high in temperature and pressure. Interior of the earth. So we are studying inside the earth. So we will discuss interior of the earth. The layer uppermost is called crust. Then we have mantle at the second layer, and then core. Core is classified firstly outer core, then inner core. When we reaches to the interior of this earth, it marks you with the abundance of heat, pressure, high temperature, and then we classified this picture as further continental crust and oceanic crust on the basis of depth. Then mantle is further classified with the help of depth, upper mantle and lower mantle. And with the thickness and depth, in the same way, core is also classified as outer core and inner core. These are classified on the basis of depth, radius, and these are associated with each other. Because of these layers of earth interior portion, we have number of rocks, minerals, and another phase it support the life of dynamic planet, hereby sharing visuals for better understanding.
The surface of the earth is covered by rocks and water bodies. But what about the inside of the earth? If we were to take a look at the earth's interior, we would see that the earth consists of 4 layers. They are the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. The crust is the outermost layer of the earth. It consists of various landforms like mountains, plateaus, volcanoes, etc. The crust also consists of numerous rock plates. The shifting of these plates resulted in the formation of continents. In reality, the crust of the earth is a very thin layer. It is only 50 kilometers deep. The crust floats on top of the outer layers of the earth. The oceanic crust is thinner than the continental crust. The mantle forms the main mass of the earth. It is the layer just under the crust. It extends from Moho's discontinuity to a depth of about 2,900 kilometers. The mantle is a partly molten layer and can have temperatures reaching to 4,000 degrees Celsius. The upper layer of the mantle is called the asthenosphere. The hot magma from the asthenosphere travels to the surface of the earth and escapes as lava from volcanoes. In addition to the asthenosphere, there is a layer known as lithosphere. The crust and the uppermost layer of the mantle together form the lithosphere. While the asthenosphere has a depth of 400 kilometers, the lithosphere extends from 10 to 200 kilometers. The next layer of the earth is the outer core. This layer is exceedingly hot. It has a temperature of about 5,000 degrees Celsius. The outer core consists mainly of liquid iron. It has a depth of 2,200 kilometers. The core mantle boundary is located at 2,900 kilometers below the surface of the earth. We now come to the innermost layer of the earth, the inner core. The inner core has a temperature of around 6,000 degrees Celsius. This is nearly the temperature of the sun's surface. The inner core has a depth of 1,250 kilometers. Unlike the outer core, the inner core is in solid state. The intense pressure of the layers of the earth ensures that the inner core remains solid in nature. Deep within the core of the earth, there are radioactive elements such as uranium. These elements give off heat when they decay. This slows down the rate at which the earth is cooling. But the core also has a very important function. It is responsible for the magnetic field of the earth. The magnetic field is generated in the inner core, and the convections within the outer core result in the creation of magnetic fields. This magnetic field is what protects us from solar winds and high-energy particles of the sun. The four layers of the earth all have special functions. Now you know what the earth looks like on both the inside and the outside.
Earth, dynamic planet. So why, what terms, what it gives us and how it get assembled with this phase. So there is number of 3 layers present: crust, mantle and core. It marks us the significance of silica and alumina, silica and magnesium in the layer of crust. Then mantle provides us the heat which supports the life from below of it. Then there is rock and mineral which generated with the help of the interior of the earth as resources. And these resources will be discussed in next phase, but introduction is here. Igneous rocks formed by cooling and solidifying molten magma. Lava, red molten magma, comes out from interior of the earth, divided into igneous rock division, extrusive and intrusive, sediment, small fragments of rock, and then they get assembled and form sedimentary rocks. Surface is blessed with number of resources, rocks and minerals, and that marks the presence just because of the layers of the earth found in the interior of the earth. Rocks, they get changed, they get transformed with the help of the heat and pressure, and that heat and pressure marks its beginning and known as rock cycle. Igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks, they will be studied in the next phase. They just get their identity due to the three layers of the interior of the earth: crust, mantle, and core, that support life with the help of generating livelihood based on the resources, exploration, and production. Marks its life supporting dynamic planet phase. So we learned today interior of the earth. So hereby saying thank you for visiting.